Chef Garrett, and we are using Melissa's Freaky Fruits to make blood and gutsicles. You're gonna need one Melissa's pepino melon and 2 blood oranges and 2 popsicle sticks. So first we're gonna start with our guts, and we're gonna cut right through our pepino melon. So we're going to use this outside of the pepino melon for the mold, and we're going to scoop out the seeds. So I'm going to cut these into strips to make it look like intestines. The pepino melon kind of tastes like honeydew and cantaloupe mixed together. So we have our guts ready. Now let's have our blood. We have 2 Melissa's blood oranges, and I'm going to take the skin off. So aren't these blood oranges creepy and cool? We're going to put it in the blender to make a pulpy blood. This is our pulpy blood. It smells amazing. So I put our shells of the pepino melon into an ice cube tray, and now we're going to pour our blood in. Whoop. Whoop. We're going to top our blood with our guts. So we put our popsicle sticks in, then put it in the freezer until it is frozen. So our blood and gutsicles took about 4 hours to freeze, and now I'm going to try them. So this is our blood and gutsicle. We cut off a side so you can see the inside. Now I'm going to try it. Oh, and also the skin is edible. It's really sweet. Obviously cold. Really fruity. I'm Chef Garrett, and see you next time for more Melissa's Freaky Fruit.